She sat quietly under a tree, hoodie up, earbuds in, waiting for her mom. But a white cop didn't see a student. He saw a threat. He grabbed her bag, accused her of drugs. What he didn't know? Her mother was 5 minutes away, and she wasn't just a parent. She was the law. The afternoon was warm, quiet, and still. Nia Bennett, 16, sat under a flowering dogwood outside Southview Public Library, hoodie up, earbuds in, school backpack at her side. She'd just submitted her final essay for the Yale pre-college summer program and was texting her mom to say she was done early. Her mother, Rachel Bennett, a senior legal counsel for the state civil rights division, replied, "5 minutes away. Stay put. Proud of you." Nia smiled. She liked the quiet. She liked that no one bothered her in this part of town, until today. A white cruiser pulled up without lights, just the slow crunch of tires on gravel. The officer stepped out. Tall, broad, mirrored sunglasses. His hand hovered near his belt. Not aggressive, but not relaxed either. "You waiting for someone?" he asked. Nia looked up. "Yes, my mom." "You live around here?" "Yes." "What's in the bag?" Nia blinked. "Books, schoolwork. Mind if I check?" "I do, actually." The officer's demeanor shifted. "You know, it looks suspicious just sitting here. Could be anything. Drugs, maybe." "I haven't done anything wrong," Nia said calmly. "I didn't say you did," he snapped. "Just making sure everything's safe." Then, without permission, he yanked the strap of her backpack from the bench. "Hey," she gasped, instinctively reaching forward. "Don't move," he barked, one hand dropping to his holster. That's when tires screeched from the other end of the lot. A silver sedan swerved into the curb and halted. Door open before the engine even stopped. Out stepped Rachel Bennett, heels sharp on concrete, navy blazer flaring behind her like a cloak. She didn't yell. She didn't run. She walked straight toward them. "Officer," she called. "Put the bag down." He looked up. "Ma'am, I'm just making sure." "That's my daughter," Rachel said evenly. "And unless you have a warrant or probable cause, what you're doing is an illegal search." The officer blinked. She looked out of place. Rachel stepped closer. Out of place? Outside a public library. A small crowd had gathered. A library staffer opened the door cautiously. Rachel pulled out a leather badge holder. "Rachel Bennett, State Civil Rights Division. You're on notice." Nia walked over, took her backpack from the officer's hand, and stood beside her mother. "Did he touch you?" Rachel asked. "He grabbed my bag, accused me of hiding drugs." "I was only following protocol," the officer said quickly. Rachel's voice sharpened. "Protocol does not mean profiling a minor because she's black, wearing a hoodie, and sitting alone. My daughter has every right to exist in this space, unbothered." The officer's radio crackled. A dispatcher requested a status update. Rachel didn't flinch. "Tell them you've just been placed under review, and that the department will be hearing from my office, in court." The officer took a step back. "This got out of hand." "No," Rachel said. "It went exactly how you intended." Until it didn't. The library staffer stepped forward. "We've got cameras, Ms. Bennett. I saw the whole thing. I can provide footage." Rachel nodded. "Please do." By evening, the footage was already circulating online. A white officer illegally searching a black teen's belongings. A mother arriving with calm precision and shutting it all down. Headlines followed. State attorney confronts cop who targeted her daughter. Teen harassed outside library. Civil rights lawyer responds. The officer was placed on leave. An internal investigation was launched, and Nia's story spread far beyond her town. But she didn't want attention. She wanted what should have never been taken, her peace. And Rachel, she didn't yell. She didn't threaten. She used the law. Because sometimes justice doesn't wear a robe. It wears a blazer and a daughter's trust. If you believe black youth deserve safety, not suspicion, stand with them. Like the video, comment "I stand with Nia," and subscribe for more stories where truth stands taller than fear.